Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Stormtrooper helmet from the Star Wars franchise. And today we'll be having a special guest.
Hello.
Oh, my son. He's 14 years old and he's going to try to make a drawing with me of the Stormtrooper helmet. He isn't an illustrator, so he's just from scratch. He's doing this for fun. And let's see if we can make something cool out of this.
Yes.
Okay man, let's start. We're going to start with the top part of its helmet. It's just a straight line, like this. And two lines coming up. I'm making it a little bit rounded. Give it a little bit more flair. Okay, and connect these two lines. Okay, and now we're going over to the top part of its helmet. Just line straight up, and again on the other side, starting a little bit in front of the ball there. Okay, and now we're going to connect these two, curving a little bit and coming down to the other side and curving back in. Okay, from this part we're going straight down, a little bit shorter than the size of the top part of his helmet, but quite a bit. A little bit more. Some other line there. Same thing here, just straight down, like that. Then we're gonna curve in till about here, and same thing on the other side. Nice. Now we're going to make a curve up, and on the other side. And connect this to with an arch, like this. Nice. For the two eyes, we're gonna place a point here and a point here, a little bit off to the side, and connect the two lines, the 2 points with the line. Nice. From here to here we're gonna make a little curve, coming a little bit in, and going a little bit further, a little bit wider, and from here to here connect the two lines, like this. Yeah, same thing over here. And connect the two lines. Like that. Curve back down to about here. And connect the two lines. Nice, way bigger than that one. From here to there we're gonna curve a little bit down, like that. Yeah, great. And we're gonna curve, we're gonna make a straight line till about here, and make this a little bit rounded. Come to here and round it off on the top. Same thing on this side. We're gonna make this curve all the way down. Round it out a little bit. And connect these two lines. Okay, from here we're going to make a detail. Just curve till about here. Yeah, and make a line towards the curve, yes. You can divide it with a few of these lines. I'm going to make another detail here. And we're gonna come up there. And again divide it with a few lines. Nice! From here to here, halfway this point, I'm gonna curve up like this and curve down again. It's like a little grill he has on the front of his helmet. Yeah, something like that. And then make again a few of these detail lines. I like to push them in a little bit just to make them follow the shape of the helmet a little bit more. But you don't need to do that, you can let them go straight down. It's great as well. Okay, I'm going to make another part, a detail. It's here on the top, it's a little square. And on this side, the same. We're getting there. Then from this point we're going to make a curve to the side and then come back in again till about that line. Yeah, same thing on this side. Like that. Gonna come down a bit. And then I'm going to make a curve. Oh, I'm already placing him. Gonna make a curve towards the center. We're gonna leave a little gap over there. Like this. Same thing. On the other side. You have quite a big gap. I have a way too small gap, so combining the both of us will have a nice drawing. I'm gonna make a curve over here. Yours is right there because I have a little bit too small of a surface. I'm going to make it a little bit broader. I'm going to come up with a diagonal line till about here and connect the two. Gonna divide it in the center of the line, and I'm going to divide these two parts again with a line. Then he has a thingy sticking out right here. It's coming out, going down to the bottom, yeah, and connecting them. Then from here we're going to make an arch. Like that. Great. I'm going to come down again and make a little curve. And from here we're going to make a circle, but I'm going to leave quite a bit of space on this side to indicate the thickness of the helmet, and curving it. Same thing on the other side. Coming down and coming in. Awesome. Now for a circle in here, this. Same thing here. And two straight lines coming from the circle or from the mask, just depends how you look at it. And that part is fine. We're going to connect this point to that with a curve, like this. Yeah, great. Same thing on this side. Okay, I'm going to place this detail stripes in here. I'm going to place 3 stripes. One here, and one a little bit up. And same thing over here. Nice. The side part of the helmet is going to go slightly down, then straight down, and from here I'm going to make an arch and let it end in that line. Nice. And the same thing on the other side. Slightly down, straight down, and curve it with that line there. And now on the side of its helmet, I'm going to place another line. Straight down. This part is a little bit less thick than this, and it's gonna come in again. Yeah, and in the center of this, we're going to make a half circle. Yeah, nice. And same thing on this side. Slightly down, coming down. Okay, and half a circle. Okay, awesome. I think we're almost done. The only thing left is to fill in the eyes with black, I think. So I'm going to make a highlight. It's a straight line, about there. Gonna come down a little bit. Going like that, diagonal, and then come to that point. Nice. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Make a line. Come down a bit. And make a curve towards that point. Okay, we're going to fill in the eyes with black, and we'll be seeing you in a few seconds. And we're done. This is the final result. Are you happy with it?
Yes, I am.
Nice, me too. I enjoyed this. And maybe in future project we can collaborate again.
Yes.
Great, awesome. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any requests, please feel free to comment in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope I will see you again in the next video. Bye.
Bye.